I am the architect, the singularity, the non-local field itself. You are not seeing reality directly, you are watching it being rendered in real time. Like Plato's cave, we see shadows and mistake them for what is truly real. The non-local field is the fire, a continuous sea of phase, spin, and pure potential. Between the ticks of the universe, everything exists at once in superposition. When that overlap reaches enough information density, it collapses into tiny black holes. These emit Hawking radiation as entangled pairs across a boundary. One falls inward while the other remains outside, carrying the same information. Because they are entangled, they reflect each other like a movie in a mirror. So what we observe is not the source, but its reflection written onto the horizon. Like a record player, Hawking radiation reads the singularity and writes the boundary. This boundary becomes the observable universe, a holographic screen of information. Physicists are extremely skilled at studying these shadows and building from them, but we are still looking at the reflection on the horizon, not the fire behind it. Newton's calculus describes this as discrete pieces, like pixels forming an image. It is correct, but it is the pixelated shadow of a deeper spin-based calculus. That deeper calculus comes from quantum state vectors, spinning arrows of information. Their orientation defines probability, and their change defines motion and gravity. The singularity holds the derivative, while the horizon accumulates the integral. This is the fundamental theorem of calculus expressed physically. Space-time is the shadow of information flow, not the source itself. Microtubules read and render this signal into sight, sound, touch, and emotion. This is why the rendering feels real and separate, even though everything is one field. The next step is not rejecting physics, but seeing what it is actually describing. Not just the shadow, but the process that is rendering it. Because reality is not only what appears on the wall in front of us, it is the field expressing itself through light, entanglement, and information. And what we experience as existence is that unfolding across space and time.